Yarrney.
Hello, welcome to Yarrney. In this tutorial, you will learn how to do a slip stitch. It's very, very simple, the most easiest stitch ever. It's widely used if you want to finish a project, especially. So to do a slip stitch, you insert your crochet hook inside the next stitch. So under the next stitch here, you will wrap the yarn around your hook to pull it back through the stitch and also through the loop on the hook. And this is basically a slip stitch. So just a quick demonstrating one more time. Insert your hook under the stitch, the next stitch. Then you pull the yarn with your hook back through the stitch and through the loop on the hook. And this is a slip stitch. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon for another tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.